Everyone loves to get their Jeep dirty, but no one likes to scrub mud and dirt out of their carpets. These Rugged Ridge floor mats will be a high-quality solution to keeping mud off of your interior, as well as adding some style to your 97 to 06 TJ. This will include the front, rear, and cargo area mats for the Jeep, so you won't have to buy everything separately, and they'll be custom form and fitted to your TJ model. Install is a breeze at 1 out of 3 wrenches, as you can probably assume, because all you have to do is lay them in, but I'll tell you more about it in just a minute. These Rugged Ridge floor mats are a molded TPE material in a black finish. The TPE will make the floor mat more rigid and stand up better in the long run, since it'll be taking quite a bit of abuse. Like I mentioned, these are specifically made for the TJs, and they'll flow very well with the interior body lines, making this a very high quality kit. All of the mats are raised on the sides to create a wall to keep everything in and prevent anything from getting to your carpets, even on the sides, so wherever your feet or your cargo may go, your carpets are protected. The mats have a deep tread on the face to lock in any dirt, debris, or spills, keeping them inside the grooves and preventing any easy tracking. It also gives a very off-road and a rugged feel to the interior, which I think is really nice. The bottom of the mats will even have little nibs to prevent it from slipping around or sliding around in the cab. What I like most about this kit is the cargo mat option. In the rear, the cargo mat reaches all the way up underneath the seats to accommodate the tumble feature of the rear seats. When the rear seats are tumbled forward, you still have coverage to protect your carpet, and there's even a spot in the middle for your seat belts to come through the mat. I would like to mention though, if you did want to keep that option, you will have to slice that part out, as well as the 2 portions on the sides here to allow the seats to tumble back down. Rugged Ridge made it easy for you though, outlining what needs to be cut, so it's all simple. This will be our most expensive options for floor mats on the site right now at $200, but you do have to think about what you're getting with this kit. You're getting a custom fit with front mats, rear mats, and a full coverage cargo mat. We do have a less expensive option that is very similar to this one, but all you're really getting with that one is a different brand, and it has a shorter warranty, while only coming in at about $20 less. This choice here has a limited lifetime warranty by Rugged Ridge, so you can really keep a peace of mind. There are no other options out there besides these 2 on our site that come as a full kit that includes the cargo area, and other less expensive options will come with just the front and the rear mats, or they'll be universal options. Overall, if you were looking for the best coverage and the best fit out of a floor mat, Rugged Ridge's option will be a great choice. Install is simple, like I mentioned before, and it gets a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter.
Since we don't have any tools for this install and it's really straightforward, we're just gonna jump into the install. We're gonna put the front floor mats in first, and be mindful that the smaller floor mat is for the driver's side. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the back floor mats. I would recommend to pull the seat all the way up and then fold it forward. If you have the tumble and fold method, you can do that to make it easily accessible. I'm just gonna go right ahead and install these. So for the cargo portion of the floor mat, it's gonna cover the whole cargo area, even underneath the seat. So we're gonna have to flip the seat forward in order to put it in. So you wanna pull the seat belts through and access the latch here, fold the first portion down, and then it'll just flip up. Now, because this is gonna cover the whole cargo area, we have these seat belts here that aren't necessarily gonna go through the floor mat, so we have to cut out this center portion here, which is already pre-laid out for us, so we're gonna go head over to the table and cut that out. So now we can go ahead and cut this center section out. You see that it's raised here. I would recommend flipping it upside down so you have a better piece to actually cut. It's more flat, it's easier to cut. I would also recommend putting a piece of cardboard underneath or anything so you're not cutting the surface that you're actually cutting on. So after you cut out this center section for your seat belts, you're gonna wanna cut out these two outer portions that are laid out for you. This is gonna allow enough clearance for your seat to tumble back down. So after we've done all of our cutting, all you have to do is place the cargo mat in and pull the seat belts through. Then you can tumble your seat back down. Tuck your seat belts back in.
So if you're looking for a high quality one-stop shop for floor mats, this is it. This is Meredith with XT, and you can find this and everything else Wrangler right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.